Hi YouTubers, and albeit a little bit late, Happy New Year. Where do I start here? I've got some new kit that I want to show you. First new kit bit of number one. This is hot off the press. This has just come into the house tonight. It's another Superstar 9900. Boxed. Just bought it. It's very slightly used. And I've just done like an unboxing, if you like. But as I don't like unboxings myself, I deleted that, and I'm just going to show you what I've bought if I can. It's a new antenna, and that is the Sirio Turbo 5000. Now I'll just show you the bottom of the antenna as it is at the moment. It's got an SO239 type fitting on it, but you can unscrew the base. It's on like a ball joint type affair. There's the base. That's where you screw the antenna in. Okay, and once you unscrew it, you've got your 3/8 thread on the bottom. That's something that's going to be going on the car in the morning. I might even put it on the car tonight just to check the SWR's okay. What a Christmas me and Deb had. It was absolutely mental. And the new year, don't even want to go there. Old speckled hen and a bottle of red wine. I'll leave the rest down to your imagination. It was great. Really had a belting Christmas, and I hope that you lot all had a good Christmas and a good New Year as well. I've been busy. I've been buying all sorts of stuff for doing videos, etc. But working full time, I don't get as much time as what I would like to sit down in front of the camera. Well, this is for you PMR users. I've had a set of these. I bought them before Christmas. It's probably all going to fall out. That's a set of Binatone Action 1100s. At some point I'll do a video on. I've tested them out and whatnot. They're a 10km set. I've also bought this for my other channel. That's an MPPT charge controller, 20 amp. That's for my solar panel side. Haven't had a chance to upload a video on it yet, but they're all in the pipe, and all going well. The Sirio Turbo 5000 will be on the car tomorrow. There's nothing wrong with the Megawat 4000 that I'm using. It's just old. I think I uploaded my first video in 2014. And my first video that I uploaded, I already owned the Megawat 4000. Since then I've gone through two bases, you know, the magnets. I spoke to people in America, Germany, Switzerland, Corsica. The thing has completely done its job, but the old girl's starting to show a few signs of aging now. You know, like the Allen key. Sometimes it's not, it's a bit worn. I could get some new grub screws for it. Now, whether this thing, the Turbo 5000, is going to be as good as it, I really don't know. Because I've literally unboxed it, and I will quickly show you the box that this thing came in. Are you ready for this? I don't even know if I'm going to even be able to show you it. Can't remember what you call them now. But there you go. I'm still about, still doing my thing, still on the rig every day, still buying stuff. It's just really a matter of time. But I see there's quite a few new subscribers. If you're a new subscriber, if you haven't made a comment yet, just leave a comment under this video. Tell me where you are, what kit you use, what you're thinking of doing. If you've got a Sirio Turbo 5000 and you've used it, tell me what you think of it. But I'm certainly going to be putting this thing through its paces and putting a few thousand miles on it, no doubt. But till the next time, thanks for watching. Charlie Tango 318 gone.